Hello and welcome to Sherry 4x4, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned lifted Jeeps, lifted Gladiators, and lifted Ram 1500 and 2500 trucks. We have over 30 in stock with the guaranteed best price when it comes to Rocky Ridge lifts in the country. And we are also one of the largest stocking Rocky Ridge dealers in the country. So we have the best deal, period. This is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport Rocky Ridge K2 package with a bunch of extra goodies on it. Starting on the front, you're going to notice the stout front aftermarket Fab 4 bumper. It has cube lighting on both the sides of it, LED cube lighting, I'm sorry, and then a 30-inch LED light bar located in the center that can be turned on and off from the inside of the vehicle. Also on this Sport, we painted the fender flares all the way around, another nice touch. And it comes with a 17-inch halo rim wrapped in a 37 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. It really sets this Jeep off with that 3.5-inch lift and really puts it up in the air. Nice aftermarket step-up bars to help you get up into this Jeep. Also, this vehicle does come with a hardtop. This is a 3-piece hardtop too. It is black in color, and it is a painted 3-piece hardtop. Spray and bed liner. Also LED bed lighting on both sides. This vehicle does come equipped with a factory backup camera. It also does come with tow prep. So it does have your plugs already put in for your 4 and 7 pin. All we have to do is just add your hitch onto the bottom. Also on the rear, we did paint this factory rear bumper to make it more monochromatic with the rest of the Jeep. This vehicle does come equipped with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor with an automatic transmission. And like I said, this is a sport package, so this vehicle does come with cloth interior, power mirrors, power locks, automatic lighting, on the inside of this vehicle, on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, you're gonna have 4 buttons along with an OK button in the center. Them 4 buttons and that OK button operate your instrument cluster located in between your RPM and your miles per hour gauge. In this specific cluster, you can hook up media up into it so you can see what's going on with your media. It'll also give you notifications of anything going on in the message board. It also can show you miles per hour, how fast you're going, your tire PSI pressure, and a bunch of other cool features built into there, along with fuel economy. Also on this Jeep, you have the option of Bluetoothing through on this vehicle, so you can add your phone to the Bluetooth. So you can, by simply pushing that button, you can carry on your conversation instead of picking up your phone right through the speaker system. It's a great feature. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're gonna have everything for your cruise control. And on the backhand right side, you're gonna have your volume controls. And on the left-hand side behind the steering wheel, you're gonna have the controls to assist you in turning channels on your radio. This particular unit does have a nice large touchscreen radio with AM, FM, and XM radio. You do get a free subscription with buying a brand new Gladiator on the XM radio. I believe it's for a year. Media capability, you can add media into this. You also do have dual climate controls with auto climate control also. So you can change your passenger temperature to 79, leave the driver on 73. You could hit auto and it'll automatically adjust to them temperatures and keep them there by regulating the speed of the how fast it's coming out of the vents. Multitude of apps. You can check out your backup camera in here, your compass, and a couple other cool features. Under that, you're going to have your radio button keys on the outside to do your volume and change channels. And then you're also going to have another way to change your temperature or the speed of the air coming out of the vents right here. Automatic start stop feature. It's a great feature, especially when you're looking to save on fuel economy. When you pull up to a red light, your motor will actually shut off. But everything in your vehicle, from your radio to your cell phone charger to your windows, everything will continue to work. And then once you take your foot off the brake, your motor will automatically engage and you'll be moving from there. Hill descent feature, great feature when you're off-road. 12-volt DC charger, your 4 windows right here, your power windows that can be locked out. All your media controls are right there also. It does have a really spacious cargo spot or cubby to hold knickknacks. You got a small little one right there, and then you also got your bigger one down there with another charger port down there. This vehicle does come equipped with 3 programmable garage door openers, so you can program your garage door openers directly into the vehicle. You no longer have to carry around your garage door openers. That's another great feature. And like I said, this does have a 3-piece hardtop, so you're able to take out these 2 front sections while driving down the road and leave the back on. Since these only weigh 20 pounds a piece, they're very easy to do by yourself, and you still get that wind in your hair concept. The back does also come off. Sometimes it just takes 2 people to get the whole top off. And like I said, this is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It's got the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it with a bunch of upgrades, painted hardtop, painted fender flares, aftermarket Fab 4 front bumper with 30-inch light bar in the center. We got the 17-inch rims wrapped in the 37-inch Mickey Thompson, which gives it a great look, but still not loud driving down the road. And again, this vehicle is located at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Throw a comment down below so you can assure that you see all of our current inventory as soon as it comes in stock on our lot. And like I said, we are the largest Rocky Ridge dealer in the country. So therefore, if you're looking for the best deal, guaranteed low price, you have to shop Sherry 4x4. That's SHERRY 4x4.com.